How to change aspect ratio on CapCut for PC. Prepare two video clips, horizontal video and vertical video. Click on Ratio to bring up the aspect ratios supported by CapCut. CapCut supports 9 kinds of aspect ratios. The most common ones are 16:9 and 9:16. Different social media platforms have their preferred aspect ratios. YouTube videos use 16:9. YouTube Shorts and TikTok are 9:16. Pinterest supports 9:16 and 1:1. Instagram Reels and Stories and Facebook Stories are also 9:16. Facebook feed posts usually use 9:16, 16:9, or 4:5. LinkedIn is usually 9:16 or 16:9. Start by dragging in the vertical video, which has the original ratio of 16:9. Click on the different ratios to see the different video aspect ratios. By pulling the video, you can also change the size of the video so that only a certain area is shown. We see that brings out the horse in the center. You can also customize the aspect ratio by clicking on Customized and changing it to the desired ratio. Here we customize the resolution to 832 by 480. Importing a vertical video also allows you to change its aspect ratio.